Mi salon fambul dem uno ado desa Alpha Saidou Bangwa they bring to na another edition of Kapusense no Kapu Word today Monday November 20 2017. In this edition I will talk to na about the Political Parties Registration Commission. We don't fail for do the constitutional role, and that one day they get a negative effect in the entire electoral process in our country. Fellow Sierra-Leoneans, the 1991 constitution, we are always they tell una say na in the supreme law, meaning no law no day again where anybody or any group of people go make we go dey pantap the constitution of Sierra Leone. Now in create the PPRC, the Political Parties Registration Commission, as a statutory instrument we go regulate and control the activities and operations of all political parties in Sierra Leone for avoid that rare boy pattern where APC be don't bring into we politics, where we always been there, we don't guess that 10 ABC in 1977, in 1982, in 1986. We all see how them born people, they host them be the cage candidates, the way people they want to go lock them inside one room, the one the way the APC one then go unopposed, then kill boku people them. So for avoid that rare boy pattern day where APC be don't introduce into politics, that make the constitution create the PPRC. But what you don't see in recent times, now that the PPRC don't walk away from the constitutional role. The PPRC also get the constitutional responsibility for make sure say all the political parties are accountable to them, the PPRC. Therefore, know how the political party then they get money and how then they spend them. The political party then by law for present the audited report to all the commissioner them now the PPRC. But we don't notice say the PPRC not even they ask the APC for that. I not even go far because me I letting them fresh na people in mind. In 2012, Logus Koma where the APC always fasting for pick as the national election coordinator handle over $400,000 for the APC. 30 they you know account for her. They not even tell we who side them pull that money there. Because one you me know the over 1 million supporter the way APC claims they get 90% of them no paid dues. So for me the APC get a boku money there. The PPRC bound by law for make we know who side them pull that kind of money there. But the PPRC no care about what the APC they do. We see them 2-3 days here. The PPRC sit down. They see the APC in collaboration with the policeman them go attack the SLPP. Now the SLPP the office. The PPRC not talk nothing. We see also when APC then get a convention and before the convention, the PPRC draw the attention of the APC just like how they draw the attention of the SLPP to Section 35, subsection 2 of the Constitution of Sierra Leone, where say the internal organization of all political parties them must comply and keep according to democratic principles, which means they're not for select or unpick anybody where they hold any high position na the political party there. But then see them, then see President Ernest Koroma single-handedly pick Samura Kamara without nobody in the APC no vote for her. Now, the APC then they've capitalized on the fact that where the PPRC not talk nothing, therefore what in them do correct. Even though where their young members then they can on social media, they tell everybody say the APC not even comply with their own constitution the way they pick Samura. People even go further say the criteria where the APC be don't set, say now they go use for pick the flag bearer. Now they not use them when President Ernest Koroma ready for pick Samura Kamara. If they be follow that criteria, they Samura Kamara not been qualified. Because one, he not to say he can join the party, and he not show no loyalty and commitment to the party yet. The PPRC also they hear and see where President Ernest Koroma they threaten people them. Say in a minister we responsible for defense. Therefore, anybody will go object to the bad thing the way in President Ernest Koroma go they do, in go use the authority and the power we get for punish that person there. The PPRC they see a year lengthy but they know they talk. And that is not right. I remember not too long ago, the PPRC mandate the SLPP for surrender the finance records and the audited report. But they not one day do till Egdande to the APC. That is not right. The PPRC was not created for protect the APC. And they know very well say the APC is made up of lawless people. They're not ever ready for follow law. And they're not the follow law. They're not the follow their own law. Now we own law, they go follow. But the PPRC not for allow that. Then they kill with democracy. The PPRC see the APC take Lai Lawrence Liman, when are the National Publicity Secretary for the SLPP, go lock her up for nothing. If somebody accuse another person, say the person can't fit an office, I mean, then not you then go able to investigate easily. Then take the man, then go lock him up, then seize in freedom for move around freely. The PPRC, they see all lengthy, then they talk. Then 2-3 days, yeah, the PPRC, I should say they don't begin shame by themselves. Now then they call political party, they say they don't drop code of conduct. But one thing again, they not tell we now that in case any political party not follow that code of conduct, they waiting then the PPRC go do. And trust me, when the APC go broke their law, then they because the code of conduct then a law. Now the ethics where people have for follow during this election. But me no say since the APC full of rare boy they will not believe in law, they go for broker. Therefore, the PPRC need for tell we what thing will be the prescribed punishment if any political party falls short of their code of conduct and the way they don't make. The PPRC need for wake up. The Honorable Justice Patrick Hamilton, you na a distinguished Sierra you na good Creole boy, na Kisi you come out. You come out from good family. No make the rare boy then a APC can tarnish your reputation. Commissioner Mukhtaru Williams, you na very distinguished person. Then put you na PPRC for represent the Labour Congress. Grab and do your work correctly. Unfa Ali Conte, the chairman na the National Electoral Commission, you also na commissioner na the PPRC, wake up. The registrar and the administrator general, na you na the secretary na the PPRC, do you work correctly? We know say una all na APC, but I mean that they no matter. Una follow what in the law say. That one day na in they keep una own pride and una respect together. Una not allow the APC for continue for kill with democracy. We all know say the APC not democratic. They're not ready for follow democracy. Even within their own party, President Ernest Koroma single-handedly outside the APC constitution, he picked Samura Kamara. That is wrong. Samura Kamara, for more than pick and say today, he not tell we no better talk as to who say want the country. For that, we see they take picture with young woman the way them Bobby the all scatter and do. I wonder if that is what the APC want in the next president. Auzubillah, let God save whip and that. Una wake up PPRC. And I also they call on civil society groups, members of parliament. Let them help me for call on the PPRC for make them do their constitutional job. The job where they get benefit from because they are being paid out of the consolidated funds. I believe say the commissioner, the anytime where they sit, then go they get sitting allowance. Una do, una work. Una help we for sustain and maintain the democracy where people of Sierra Leone die for. Until next week, we go bring to una another edition. This is Alpha Saidu Bangwa, they say tata.